So friends, welcome once again to this channel, and so now we are going to look at this program. This was asked in the PG Garodia school prelim first exam, computer application. So this program is write a menu driven program to perform the following: A, sum to print the Pronic numbers between 1 and the limit entered by the user. So for example, if n is equal to 10, output will be 2, 6, 12, 20, 30, 42, 56, 72, 90 with comma in between. Pronic number is a number that is the product of two consecutive integers. So yeah, we can see that all these numbers are product of two consecutive numbers. So for example, 56 must be 7 into 8, 42 is 6 into 7, that kind of thing. What is the other thing that we have to do in menu? So pattern, we have to ask n from the user. So for example, n equal to output will be 1, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1, 5, 4, 3, 2. This is simple pattern. Uh, so yeah, simple programs. I mean, not necessarily simple, but choice-based program. So I think that's how this thing goes. That each kind of program is asked once, and you have to select which one you have to choose. So we'll do this. So this is choice-based program, right? And this is chronic number. So what do we name this? Let's new class. Should we do chronic numbers? Let's say chronic. Okay, C must be small. I don't know. I'm just keeping it small for now. Chronic. Let's open editor. Public class chronic. Let's remove all these things. Let's just copy paste all this as usual. Um, right. Oh, this is already properly done. So output 1, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1. Right. Public loss chronic. So yeah, and as usual, import, because definitely we need routine dot star scanner, right? Now we have to ask choice, right? So for choice, what is this? I think this remains something. So for choice, definitely we'll need a character char ch, right? Ch is equal to yeah. Before that, we'll have to ask system dot out dot println, system dot out dot, not print ln, maybe print only, print enter the choice, A or B, right? So only A or B could be chosen. Ch is equal to okay, scanner also we forget about. So we have to scanner sc is equal to new scanner. Okay, I'll just increase the font size. Sorry for that. Yeah, that's better, right? So we just copy paste and now we are writing the program. New scanner system dot in. Right. Now ch is equal to sc dot next. We simply read one character. Is there no print? What's the problem? System dot print. Of course, what we have to do is we have to start is in void main bracket, right? We can complete the bracket later, that's fine. So scanner ch system dot on ch is equal to sc dot next char. Okay. All right. So now we'll use switch statement, switch ch, right? The first thing we'll do is default. That means if it's neither A or B, we'll simply system dot out dot println wrong case, wrong case, right? Now if it is A, case A, we'll have to do something. If it is case B, we will have to do something. There is definitely break here. There is definitely break. Okay. So this much we can adjust. Now what we have to do in case of n, we have to take a number, right, which is n. So again, system dot out dot println, we can print, we can simply put, okay, let's just have some kind of space there, print, just simply say enter n for now, int n equal to sc dot next int integer, fine. We didn't complete this, I guess. Yeah, have to complete that. Int n is equal to next int. Now simply for yeah, now let us think about what we have to do. So we'll have to loop for I equal to 1 to 10, 1 to n, right, n, and now we'll have some kind of integer. The only thing we'll see, so it does it, no, it starts with 2, right? So so this not 1 to n, this is, yeah, it is 1 to n, and it is I into I plus 1, right? So simply int chronic number is equal to I into I plus 1, right? So for 1, and this can't be 0 now, right? And we'll have to actually have from the loop. Normally we start from 0 to less than 8, but in this case we'll have to start from I less than equal to n and then I plus 1. So something like that we'll have to start the loop. And chronic number I equal to I plus 1, and then we'll simply have to put system dot out dot println. Okay, system dot out dot println, that println chronic number, and comma chronic number plus comma, right? That's how we have to print it. The only problem is that this will also print the comma also at the end after everything is done. So what simply we can do is that, so when n is equal to 10, we have to, no, oh no, that's not okay, sorry. So for this has to be less than n, right? But one to two, right? So this 10, how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, only 9 is there, right? So my bad. So this is up less than equal to n. So what we can do is that we can do the n minus 1 here, chronic number, and then after the loop, right? After the loop, so all this will be in the loop. and then after the loop we can simply print, right, system.out.println. Okay, this is print, right, not println, sorry. System.out.print, we can simply put uh, n into n minus 1. That's it, right? Yeah, that's it. That's all we have to do, right? So let's just write this program. In fact, we have written most of things. So let's just uncomment. So for I equal to int, let's keep int outside. Int I equal to whatever, doesn't matter. We are anyway doing this. So I equal to 1, I less than n minus 1, I plus plus. Int Pronic number, that's fine. System.out.chronic number, and that's where the this for loop ends. Good. And after the for loop, we have decided that we'll put just one more set test for the last number, system n into n minus 1. Right. So for I equal to 1, I less than n minus 1 plus plus I. The only thing is now you have to think about the border condition. So let's say if n is equal to 1, right? I equal to 1, how will this work? It will never go here, I think. If n is equal to 1, I equal to 1, I less than n. So it will be double printed, right? Because n will be 1, I less than n minus 1. So this will be at least done once. I less than 0. I am no, that will not apply because I equal to 1, but n minus 1 will be 0. So yeah, it will not go into that loop. But anyway, I mean, at least for the exam perspective, we don't have to worry about that. So these are anyways some boundary conditions. Let's not worry about those right now. But if you have to worry about that, then maybe you have to write some special case here. If I equal to 1, if n equal to 1, just simply print out. Okay, so let's just do that, right? What's the harm in that? If I equal to 1, right, then what we'll do, we'll simply print out system.out.println, right? Oh, this will be println, right, because we are done with this. Println system.out.println. We'll simply have to put 2, right, because we know that there is only one input. So if n equal to 1, n equals system.out.println 2, and we'll go. Do we have to put something like Pronic numbers or something? No, we just have to output in one line, yeah, so that should work. Yeah, and after that we can do break, right? So no need to do all of this, because if n is equal to done, no need to do all of this, and you can simply then run all of these and go home. Right, what about B? While white passing, what is the problem? Oh, main karega, right? Okay. White B, right? So now for B, okay, so then way this works is next dot char at 0. So that's how you can get the character. Next is bracket, right? Char at 0. Right, so chronic number we are done, we were coming here B. Now we have to print this pattern, right? So any pattern, right? So definitely we need to have loop here. So the thing about to start again is how the loop will work. So basically what we have to do at each of the method, right, or at each of this line, what will it do? So for example, take this one. So we know that definitely this is I equal to 3, right? So at I equal to 3, what we'll have to do? Of course, there is another loop is going on, which is on decreasing order, and which is printing 3 to 1. So that's how we have to do. So let's see roughly what we have to do. So I'll just write some rough program here first. So clearly, what we have to, oh, of course, we have to do all these things, enter and next. So let's just do that first, right? And now we have to print that pyramid, right? So yeah, so now let's see. N is already done. So okay, so maybe that's the better way to do that. Int n. Let's put int somewhere there is. Let's put int n. int n, which is common between two. Uh, right. So what we'll have to do now for uh, int I equal to 1, I less than equal to n, and then plus plus I, right? Again, I think I is done, so let's take everything outside. Yeah. Int I. Okay. So I equal to 1, I less than n. So now here I we have done. Again, similarly we have to do for j. In fact, yeah, but j, now remember j must be reverse, right? So j must be I to 1, right? I, something like j greater than equal to 1, right? Or little greater than 0, right? And minus minus j, right? That it should be like that. Minus minus j or j minus minus whatever. Minus minus j, let's say. And now what you have to do is you have to print, not print ln, remember print j. Okay. And then after all this, after the j is done, right? After the j is done, let's say that is j. Let's say that is j is done here, right? For I you have to put print ln, and you have to put line. Now how to print line? Slash n. That's how you have to print. So yeah, that's pretty much for this one. This one kind of simple. Let's see how does it work. So yeah, we have already written I is equal to for int bracket is also there. So for int j is equal to I, j greater than 0, minus minus j, doesn't matter, minus minus j minus minus at this level, print j. Okay, system dot out dot print j. We will print j without any space or anything, and then at the end, after the j is done, we will simply system dot out dot println slash n. Okay. Yeah, I think that's it. This should work. A wrong choice for default, and if a and b, we'll just do this thing. Chronic numbers, let's check chronic number one more time. If n equal to 1, what we are doing is that we are giving some special treatment for 1. Maybe we'll just write a special treatment for 1. Special treatment when n is 1, right? We'll break from here, and then if chronic number equal to I into I plus 1, and here also is last chronic number to avoid comma at end. Maybe we can write something like that. Okay, last chronic into and I hope this should work. N into n minus I into I plus 1. Right, we are starting with 1 I into I plus 1 and going up to that. Yeah, this should work, I think. So yeah, let's do that. So first of all, let's put space here to your safer side. Chronic number I into I plus 1. Right? Oh god, okay, so do you understand the mistake? That's the mistake. We should have put okay, 1 to n minus 1 again, n into over. So we corrected it at 1 plus, but we forgot another. Right, so that is done, I think. Let's try again. Compile. New chronic one. Void main. Alright, so let's put a 10, and now we got proper 2, 6, 12, 20, 30, 42, 56, 22. I have to put character slash. Print slash. Oh, this has to be print slash. Okay, because Yeah, print ln will anyway print and then go into the next line. Oh god, so that's the mistake I was thinking. Okay, sorry. Yeah, that's fine, I guess. So clear. So lesson learned. Close. Compile. New choice. Okay. Chronic one. Void main. B. 5. 1 2 1 3 2 1 5 4 3 2 1. Yeah, so that's what as expected. And we can close this. Okay, so that's the second program. Let's take a look at it and the mistakes that we have done. So the first mistake we have done is we haven't put the bracket here. We should have put the bracket here. That was yes. Otherwise, n minus 1 everything was correct. And the second mistake was that instead of this should not be println because println will anyway put some line there. We don't want that. We only want slash. So those were the two mistakes that we have done. Any other mistake? And the new thing that I have done is the way to take character is character dot at 0. That's how you take the character, right? Okay. So yeah, so that's it. That's the program, and I think you guys have understood, and this will help some way. Thank you.